You saw in the market intelligence briefing that we are seeing IoT progress across government. I heard particularly in areas like energy, transportation. You see some pockets within DoD and then certainly within our IC community. Mike, if I could start with you, how can government and industry replicate that progress more rapidly across government?
Well, I can certainly speak to my particular vertical, which is the intelligence space. And for those of you that deal with us, you know that we're a very schizophrenic group of people to deal with. We love technology and we hate technology, and Internet of Things is no different. We love the benefits that the Internet of Things brings to the organization, just from the ability to sense the environment that we're in, capture that data, run analytics on that data that helps in the decision-making process. We get much better fidelity of the things that we need to make decisions on, and we get that information in a much more timely fashion. So from that perspective, we love it. Additionally, internally, it certainly can help us save the sums of money that you, the taxpayers, contribute to the public fund. And so we're stewards of your dollars, and we want to be more efficient with it, and it can help in that regard as well. The flip side, the schizophrenic side of that, is it opens up the door to our adversaries, obviously, knowing more about us if we don't implement those solutions correctly. And in our business, we try to stay out of sight, out of mind. And so how does this, as another facet of that digital world, how do we protect ourselves from these systems revealing too much about us? And so obviously security is a big component. Where I see the problem specifically in the Internet of Things space, and we saw it as well in the mobile space, is primarily we deal with systems that are to be produced by the masses, millions if not billions of devices, and the profit margins on those devices are by nature designed to be very, very small. And when your profit margins are designed to be very, very small, and you're dealing with very, very small real estate on the device, probably the last thing you're thinking of is how do I ensure the security and the integrity of that device? And by that I mean, just as an example, if we were to put smart lighting in this building and we were to put LED lights in here that were attached to smart infrastructure, the expectation is that those lights are probably going to last for 10 years. And so you can imagine that we now have to protect an infrastructure that could have hands on it, or an opportunity for hands on it, for 10 years. And so how do you maintain that going forward in this connected world where it's not just, nation states, but it's any hacker out there really